Creating and uploading videos to YouTube involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you get started. 1. Create your video content. Plan your video, outline the content, decide on the format, and create a script if necessary. Choose a recording device, use a smartphone, camera, or webcam to record your video. Consider lighting and audio, make sure your video is well lit, and use a microphone for clear audio. 2. Edit your video. Use video editing software. There are various options, including free software like Shotcut, DaVinci Resolve, or iMovie, for Mac users. Edit your footage, trim unnecessary parts, add transitions, music, and any other elements to enhance your video. 3. Export your video. Choose a suitable file format and resolution for your video. Export the video file from your editing software. 4. Create a YouTube account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Google account, which will give you access to YouTube. 5. Upload your video. Log into your YouTube account. Click on the camera icon, Upload button, at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Upload Videos. Click on to select files. Select the video file you want to upload. 6. Fill in video details. Enter a title, make it catchy and relevant to your content. Add a description, provide more information about your video. Choose tags, use keywords related to your content. 7. Thumbnail and annotations. Create a custom thumbnail or use the thumbnails that are there. Make it eye-catching to encourage clicks. Use annotations if needed, add links, text, or other interactive elements. Just below the thumbnail you need to check, no, it's not made for kids. Then click Next. You will come to the visibility page. There you will decide to make your video private or public and click on Save. Promote your video. Share your video on social media platforms. Engage with your audience through comments. Monitor analytics. Use YouTube Analytics to track the performance of your videos. Additional tips. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags to improve discoverability. Consistency. Establish a consistent upload schedule to build an audience. Engagement. Respond to comments and encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, the success of your YouTube channel will often depend on the quality and relevance of your content, as well as your engagement with your audience. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.